National Electrical Code Article 300.11 prohibits supporting cables by suspending them from the ceiling grid support wires. Article 300.11 states conductors in cables shall not be laid on the tops of beams or purlins, or supported by pipes, chains, or other non-permanent means. There are several alternative methods to comply with the National Electrical Code. Firstly, you can install your own support wire. This involves installing either all-thread or grid wire directly to the ceiling to support the cables. These wires must be fastened to the ceiling structure. Secondly, use surface-mounted raceways. You can run cables in surface-mounted raceways such as conduit or cable trays. Thirdly, use cable tray. Cable trays can be used to support and route cables. Cable trays must be securely attached to the building structure. Regarding the exception for signaling and communication systems, while it is true that the exception mentioned from the Mike Holt website applies to signaling and communication systems, which are covered in Chapters 7 and 8 of the National Electrical Code, this exception only applies to the specific requirements in Article 300 that are specifically referenced in Chapters 7 and 8. Article 300.11 is not one of the requirements referenced in Chapters 7 and 8, so the exception does not apply in this case. It is recommended to follow the guidance of the National Electrical Code and use one of the approved methods to support your cables. While it may be more costly to install all-thread or grid wire, it is important to ensure that your cabling system is safe and code compliant.